Hey y'all, it's Keely. Today I'm going to show you how I get ready for work and show you my current favorite makeup products that I've been using every day. So let's get started. I like to start with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Love this brow pencil. I'm so excited to be filming. I got a new monitor so I can see what I'm doing over there. And I got a new microphone, so hopefully the sound sounds pretty good. And I'm excited to start doing more videos. I did get a new lens as well. I don't think I said that. So hopefully the quality of the video looks good. Still learning about cameras. I know nothing. It's time to get my brows done, but I'm just doing hair-like strokes and then blending it through with the spoolie on the end. I typically do a really natural brow. I guess some people might not think it's natural, but I don't do any like dip brow or anything like that. I've been loving the YSL All Hours foundation. The shade is B30. It's a little bit dark. I need probably B20, but I'm gonna be getting tanner, so I went ahead and went a shade up and then, or more tan. And I love this Nude Air Dior Skin foundation. It's like a serum foundation. And this is in the lightest shade, so I put a few drops of that mixed in with the YSL. Little foundation cocktail, and then I just mix it together on the top of my hand, and then apply it with this beauty sponge. This sponge is from Morphe, and it's a lot less expensive than a beauty blender. I think it's like $7 or $8. And there isn't many sponges that I've tried that I like as much as I like my beauty blender, so highly recommend this sponge as a more affordable option. I'm gonna bring some of this color down to my neck because I am so pale. Like, honestly, I think I look a little bit more pale on camera, but I'm pale. I used to be one of those people that could not live without a spray tan, and I've been embracing my paleness lately. For concealer, I'm doing this Tarte concealer in the shade Light. I'll list all the products down below with what shades I'm using. And I like to use whatever concealer I'm using on my lid as an eyeshadow primer. I like this concealer because it's really hydrating, and I tend to have drier skin. Does anyone have any fun plans for Memorial Day? We have a family reunion every year in memory of my grandpa, and it's always so much fun, so I'm excited for that Memorial Day weekend. And I have another trip coming up the beginning of May that I'm going to share with y'all soon. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. It has a little more yellow undertone, and the other Tarte one was a little more pink. So I like the pink undertone to cancel out dark circles, and then the yellow for a more brightening on top of that. Setting everything with this Tarte Mineralize Skin Finish. This is the shade Light Plus. Set the eyes and the entire face with this. For bronzer, I love this matte bronzer from Beauty Counter. This one's a little worn out. I use it on all my clients. I love the #1 for light to medium skin tones. Just doing a little bronzing. Need some color. For eyes, I'm going to use the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I think this is almost sold out and it won't be available after that, and I think it's on sale, so I will link that below. It has such pretty colors, and I bought her original palette and then I got the deluxe. I love them both, so I might grab another one of the deluxe palettes before they go bye-bye. Highly recommend this palette for the price, and then the quality is amazing. For my crease color, I just apply it back and forth and in little circular motions. I set the eye with this light shade, and then for the crease I mixed these two. And then on the lid, I think I'm gonna mix these two for like an orangey pink sparkle. Love. Taking the orangier one and putting it in the inner corner. And for liner, I love a shadow for a more natural, soft look. So I'm going to use this shimmery brown shade. I'm going to highlight the brow with just a little bit of that light shade that I started with all over. And then I like to go in one last time and blend it out. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Becca palette. I don't like Champagne Pop at all, do I? I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna mix like all three of those blushes because I love them all. I'll start with the middle one. And I always tell my clients to smile so I can get it right on the apples and blend the blush back into the bronzer. My new favorite setting spray is this Chanel setting spray, but I bought it with Nordstrom Notes because it's really expensive. So definitely gonna try something different. I really wanna try the Morphe one. I know it's been sold out, but the Morphe one is like an aerosol spray like this one. But I believe this one has hyaluronic acid or something in it because it's called Hydra Beauty Essence Mist. So it's super hydrating. And it feels so good. It smells so good too. Definitely a higher end product. I'm loving this highlighter from Anastasia and Amrezi. I don't know how to say her name, but her makeup skills are on point. Clearly, I love beauty collab products. It's so much fun to see people succeed, and I just love it. Ooh, I have a telescopic mascara. Haven't used this one in a while, but it's one of my faves. So I always spray my face and then do my highlighter so it pops more, and then my mascara after I spray my face because you don't want to get your mascara all wet. Ooh, I missed this mascara. It's so good. And I like to focus my bottom lash mascara on more of the root of the lash because when I bring it down, it tends to transfer to my under eye, and I don't like that look. What kind of lipstick should I wear, y'all? Hey! Come say hi to everybody. Sit. Say hi. Say hi, Bubba. I didn't realize my purse was right next to me. Ooh, yeah, I know what I wanna do. I know what I wanna do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is a Maybelline lip liner in the shade Nude. Had it for so long. Actually, I think Elle Fowler. Oh my gosh, I've been watching Blair and Elle for so long. I think Elle Fowler said this was a good drugstore lip liner, so clearly I got it. And I still have it. I'm gonna use the KKW and Kylie lipstick in Kimmy. So pretty. This is a cream liquid lipstick, so it doesn't dry like her matte lipsticks. It's really moisturizing and it'll wear off a lot quicker, but it's really pretty. All right, this is the makeup look. Hope y'all enjoyed watching me get ready, and I'm going to get dressed and try to show you my outfit before I have to go to work. So I will be back. All right, I'm all dressed. I'm gonna grab my other camera and show y'all my outfit, and I will have a blog post on my new blog, so check out my new website if you haven't. It has my makeup portfolio and a blog portion, so I'm really excited about it. So check that out. I'll put a link down below, and that's probably where I'll put all of the links to the products and my outfit details in that blog post for this video. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I would love if you subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Hit a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see y'all again soon. Stay tuned for the end of the video for a little look at my outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and glam. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm just gonna show you my outfit really quick. I just have on this little long duster from Francesca's. This shirt was a collab at Target. I can't remember the designer's name. These Spanx leggings are so comfortable. Y'all need some. They're high-waisted and they pull you in. I'm feeling bloated and crampy today, so these are perfect. These are some Vince Camuto booties I found at Marshall's. I went simple on the earrings today. I'd love if you I'd love if you, oh my gosh.